So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's start with our trend on Swiss franc JPY. So this trend on Swiss franc JPY is an up in bullish move. We are seeing a series of higher high, higher low. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments. And also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So this is our first high on Swiss franc JPY. The market eventually gave us an higher low. When market did an higher low, it eventually pushed up to give us another higher high and then an higher low here. It eventually pushed up to give us another higher high, comes the higher low. So after that, it push up again to give an higher high. Here comes the higher low. So market eventually push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. So later on, in our next movement, we'll be expecting Swiss franc JPY to give us a bullish move, which will be forming a new higher high. But before that bullish move will be out, we need to get our buy setup. Only go ahead and take the buy once you've confirmed buy setup. As long as you did not see the buy setup, to the best you did not buy, only take the buy once you get your buy setup. And the buy setup should actually form your. So let's see, possibly to form around here, or it will likely form around the level of 195. If it drops to the level of 195, it's most likely going to form around the level of 195. So what we are looking at right now is a buy setup Swiss franc. Right? More of it will be covered. So all you please click on the subscribe button so you know Saturday's update.